A very fresh good morning to all my lovely students. How are you? Fine, very good. I am also good. Now students, look here. Today the date is 14 July 2021 and today the day is Wednesday. What is day today? Wednesday. Our subject is maths. In subject maths today we are doing a new topic and our topic is side, center and between. साइड मीन्स एक तरफ, साइड, सेंटर मीन्स बीच में एंड द बिटवीन इज दो चीजों के बीच में जब हम कुछ रखते हैं दैट वी कॉल इट बिटवीन. ओके, नाउ द साइड. फर्स्ट आई एम गोइंग टू पुट अ डॉट एंड दिस इज अ स्क्वायर शेप. This dot is at the side of this square. The dot is at the side of this square. ये जो डॉट है ये इस स्क्वायर के साइड में है. ओके, तो इस डॉट कहाँ पर है? साइड में. इसकी क्या पोजीशन है? The dot is at the side of this square. Okay, now I am going to run it. Now, see this. The dot is at the center of the square. Now, what is the position of the dot? The position of the dot is, it is in the center of this square. Center. Okay. Now, here I am going to draw two squares. One and two. Now I am going to put a dot between these two squares. In those squares के बीच में. The position of this dot is between two squares. Okay, between two squares. Okay, now I want to show you this picture. Which picture is this? This is a picture of a rose. This is a picture of a rose. Now this rose is, what is the position of this rose? The position of the rose is at the side of this square. ये रोज कहाँ पर है? इस स्क्वायर के साइड में है. द पोजिशन ऑफ दिस रोज इज साइड ऑफ दिस स्क्वायर. नाउ द पोजिशन ऑफ दिस रोज इज सेंटर ऑफ द स्क्वायर. द पोजिशन ऑफ द रोज इज सेंटर ऑफ दिस स्क्वायर. नाउ द पोजिशन ऑफ दिस रोज इज between two squares. Between two squares. The position of the rose is between two squares. Okay. Side. Let's repeat. Say side, center, between. Okay. Now I want to show you more example through the PPTs and then you will do one page of your maths book. Fine. Let's start. So students, our topic is side, center and between. Here we can see one square shape with blue color and one butterfly. The butterfly, can you tell me the position of this butterfly? It is at the side of this square. It is at the side of the square. This is square and this is a butterfly. Side. The position of the butterfly is side. Now here we can see again the butterfly is in the center of the box. This is center. Butterfly का क्या position है? The position of the butterfly is center of the box. Center. Okay. Center. Now here we can see two squares and in the middle we can see a butterfly. The position of the butterfly is between. The position of the butterfly is between. Now repeat, say between. Between. The butterfly is sitting between these two square boxes. Between. Now this is your
maths book page number 108 that you have to complete. The same topic, side, center and between. Paste the sticker of a cat on the dot at the side of the box. In the last page you are having the stickers. ठीक है, उसमें cat का sticker होगा. You have to take out that sticker and then this is a box, and on this side this dot is at the side of this box. So first sticker you will put on this dot. Okay, now this is a side of the box. Now paste the sticker of a cat on the dot in the center of the box. Here we can again see a square box, and in the inside of the box we can see a dot. This dot is at the center of the box. So you have to take out the sticker and paste on this dot. Center, side, center. Now the last one is paste the sticker of a cat on the dot in between the two boxes. Here we can see two boxes and this is a dot. This dot in the center, sorry, this dot is in between two boxes, between. So next sticker you have to paste on this dot. Now all of you just repeat, say side, center, between. Again side, center, between. Okay, so this page also you have to complete. This is page number 108 of your maths book. Stickers को आपको बुक के पीछे से निकालना है, cat का sticker, and then you have to paste in these three positions. Okay, complete this work and then send it to me. Goodbye, take care of yourself.